How you doing? Eric Forsberg at MarineMax here in Minnesota. Taking a look at a carryover 2019 Sea Ray 250 SLX. The SLX model and lineup is the sport boat, the luxurious sport boat models from Sea Ray. And again, this is a 2019 that is a carryover. It's got the beautiful brown interior with the brown sea deck throughout the entire boat. This boat is powered by a 6.2 liter MerCruiser, 300 horsepower. It's going to have the dual digital dash on the helm here, two 9-inch screens from Simrad. Beautiful, beautiful boat. Plenty of room for all of your passengers to be able to come through and spend a day on the water. 15-person capacity. Again, tons of room in the cockpit here, as you can see, with a companion seat that will flip around with a flip-up bolster. You've got a nice head in here with a vacuum flush and the head interior upgrade, so you've got some nice sea deck on there and some nice accents on the countertop that's there with the little sink. Tons of room up here in the bow to be able to sit down and lounge and relax. Feet completely straight out. Tons of room in here. Nice flip down armrest. This boat can be seen at MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Great deals right now on our endless staycation, and it's spring. Ice is out in Minnesota.